Hi everyone. So yesterday we made a shopping list for our giving soup, and today we're going to work on the measurements. So you will need your measurement cups ready in front of you. So the first thing we're measuring is chicken broth, and we're going to need 6 cups of it. So go ahead and hold up the 1 cup or 1 cup measuring cup. And I'm going to count to 10 in my head to give you time. All right, so you should have that largest cup. If you're having the colored set, it is the red cup. The next thing we're gonna have to measure, which isn't a measuring cup amount, is the diced tomatoes with garlic and onion. We need a 14.5 ounce can. If you look down at the bottom of this, where my mouse is, it does say that it is 14.5 ounce. So we don't need to do any measuring of that. We just open it up with this pull top and use the whole amount of the can. So we don't need to hold anything up for this one. The next one also we won't hold up a cup because this one is the same. It's 12 ounces of green beans frozen. It's hard to see, but on this bag down here it does say 12 ounces. So we will end up using this entire bag. Same thing for the carrots. We don't have to measure anything. The thing is though is that we need 12 ounces of sliced carrots. It's hard to see, but this bag at the bottom does say 16 ounces. So we're gonna have to take just a little bit of carrots out, or as a group we can decide, maybe we like carrots and we want all the carrots in there. But the recipe calls for 12 ounces. This bag is 16 ounces. So we either use all of it and have more carrots than the recipe calls for, or we have to take some out. An ounce or a cup is 8 ounces. So a half of that amount would be 4. 8 divided by 2, 2 groups of 4 is 8. So we would end up taking out 4 ounces, or half a cup. Half a cup in this case would be the blue one. I know it's hard to see with the light, but we could end up filling up this cup or half cup with carrots, and that could be the amount that we deduct. So go ahead and actually hold up the blue half cup. I'll give you 5 seconds for that. All right, moving along. We have a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. So now we're looking at our spoons rather than our cups, just 1 tablespoon. The way that would look on yours is 1 TBS. That is a tablespoon, TBS. So go ahead and hold up 1 tablespoon. I'll give you 10 seconds for that. All right, so it is the largest of the spoons. In this case, if you have the colored set, it's the red one. Then we need 1 cup chicken, cooked and cut into bite-sized pieces. We're gonna be buying this bag, that's already done. It's cooked, it's cut. We don't have to do anything else with it aside from measure it. And we're gonna need 1 cup of it. So go ahead and hold up the 1 cup measuring cup. I'll pause for 10 seconds. All right, it is the largest of the cups, and in the colored set, it is the red one. So that's what you should have been holding up. All right, then we're gonna need pre-cooked pasta. We're gonna find this bag, which is already cooked, so we don't need to boil it or anything, and we need 1 cup of it. I believe from the net size, we might not get a full cup. If you look down here in the bottom, the package is 7 ounces, which if you recall, 1 cup is 8 ounces, so it's going to be a little less than 1 cup, but we'll find that we fill up most of our 1 cup measuring cup. So go ahead and hold up the 1 cup measuring cup. I'll give you 10 seconds. So it is, again, the largest one. It is this one right here, the red one. All right, then we're gonna need a 1/2 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. Sometimes we buy it in those bottles and it's grated, it's almost like powder, but in this case we're using shredded cheese, and we're using 1/2 cup of it. So go ahead and hold up the 1/2 cup measuring cup. I'll give you 10 seconds. All right, and it should be this, the second largest one when it comes to our colored set. That is this blue one. So everyone should have been holding up the blue one. Then for flavor, we're going to need some salt. So we're going to use 1 teaspoon salt. So we're looking at the spoons, our measuring spoons again. A teaspoon is represented by 3 letters, TSP. So go ahead and hold up the teaspoon. I'll give you 10 seconds. All right, so it is this one here in the middle. On the colored set, it is the blue one. So blue is 1 teaspoon. You'll see it says TSP. It is different from the tablespoon. Bless you. The tablespoon is TBS. All right, then we need a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. You'll see here it just shows a T, but same thing as before. It can also be represented as TSP. So go ahead and find the 1/2 teaspoon measuring spoon. I'll give you 10 seconds. All right, and the teaspoon is this green one. We have the green one on here. The 1/2 teaspoon is red, but ours is green, the 1/2 teaspoon. You'll see it's about half the size of the regular teaspoon, the blue one. If it's half the amount, that's why it's a 1/2 teaspoon. And then that is it for our measurement. So we are done with this activity. You can put away or return the measuring spoons and cups to an adult to put them away. And that is it. Thank you. How do I turn this off? Okay, bye.